Hi everyone, welcome back. For today's mani, we're going to be dipping into this week's Kozmik Nails BBB Duo, which is a discounted duo that is released every Monday at 10 a.m. Central Time at a discounted price, and that price is good for the whole week, and it's an awesome deal. So the two colors this week is the first one that we're using here. It's called a Jawbreaker, and this one right here is so fun. And definitely my favorite out of the whole duo. I mean, this whole duo is perfect, but this one right here is pulling at my heartstrings here. So you have this beautiful milky base, which you can see here. And that first dip, we didn't really pick up a lot of those colors, but that is perfectly fine because we wanted to give it like a candy effect. In the name, it's called Jawbreaker, and it is perfect because this mani is gonna be Jawbreaker vibes for sure. So each time we dip into this dip powder and build up those layers, we are gonna be creating a very fun candy coated mani. So get ready because you're gonna see this dip powder here when it comes to life with that second, and then we are going to do a third dip. But this is overall a really fun dip, and it is perfect for summer because it has that really pretty milky white base, and then it has these speckles of bright neon colors. And when I think of summer, I think of all those fun neon pops of color. So this one right here, it's going to be fun to use Jawbreaker, and you can use it with so many different colors as an accent nail or an all over mani. So this is the one coat. I cured it for 30 seconds, and then we're going to dust it off, and we're going to go in with a second coat, and then you're going to see here that this dip powder is really going to come to life, and it is so fun. So you can see here we picked up more of those beautiful neon speckles pieces here, and then 2 dips versus 1. You can see that build up there of that beautiful color. Now I really like milky white base dips. They are super pretty and they make your nail look really flawless. So if you have any like imperfections on your nails or anything like that over your natural nails, this is really going to give you a really awesome like no imperfection look. And I love milky white bases. So to pick up more of those neon pieces there, I took that tweezer and just removed that layer of that milky white dip powder right there, because naturally these colored pieces are heavier than that white acrylic powder. So these colored pieces are going to tend to focus on the bottom, which is normal when it comes to this style of dip. Those pieces are just a little bit heavier. So using that tweezer to just remove lightly that first layer of like that milky white is really gonna benefit the dip powder because you are gonna pick up more of those neon colors there, like you can see here, especially on that middle nail. So I am gonna do a third dip just to show you this thumbnail only of that third dip so you can really see the color changing payoff here. Now we're gonna pick up tons more of those really fun candy pieces. I'm calling them candy pieces because this is giving me Jawbreaker vibes for sure. So you can see here 3 dips versus the 2. It's definitely more like build up with those candy pieces. And then I did the rest of the 3 dips off camera, and we're going into sour candy. Now this right here, it is the perfect name for this like lemon lime sugary glitter kind of nail. So it has these really pretty like sugar crystal glitters in here, which is giving it all those candy vibes. Now you can see here I'm gently pressing down those glitters onto that nail. They're really, really pretty. It's giving it almost like a sugar, kind of like crushed sugar over it, or even like an ice, whatever you're thinking. If you're thinking of a margarita, or I have candy on the brain clearly, so I am definitely thinking sugar nail. But we are gonna go ahead and keep doing the gel method on here for 2 dips, but this color right here would look great even as like a sugar nail, but I did not keep it like this. I was tempted to keep it a sugar nail, but I wanted that shine to really pop. So then to clean up this nail, this was by far a really easy dip powder to work with. All I'm doing here is cleaning up the sides and just doing a little bit of reshaping, and that's all I did for all my filing and buffing. I didn't need to buff on the top or anything like that because those candy pieces laid so flat. So this is all the filing that I did off camera, and then we're going to finish up with gel top coat, and then we're going to cure it for 60 seconds, and then here is the finished mani. Tell me this is not giving you all those candy Jawbreaker kind of vibes. And then you have your like sour straw candy to go with that like lemon lime color right there. I love this mani so much. It is perfect for summer. It is so fun. I just feel like this duo is definitely a must-have. So I will go ahead and link everything that we use in today's mani in that description box below. If you are considering ordering from Kozmik Nails, you can use discount code Mallory15 to save on your order. And this duo is going to be at the sale price from today, Monday, May 22nd. And it is available now, and it's going to be good for a whole week at a discounted price already. So you get that discounted price and you can use a discount code on top of it. So there's a lot of savings going on with Kozmik Nails. And then after a week, this duo will go back to the full price. So definitely snatch up this duo, and I will see you in the next upload.